Hello friends, welcome to Free Education Lessons. In this video, I will share with you 4 important study tips that you might find beneficial while preparing for exams. So whether you are a 5th standard student preparing for your school exams or you are preparing for admissions in IITs, these tips will come in handy. So without a further go, let's get started. The number one tip is to understand the difference between giving a practice test of any topic and teach someone the same topic. There was one experiment done for a group of students wherein both the groups were given the topic and one group of students was asked to give the practice test after their preparation was done and the other group was asked to teach the topic to fellow students in the class. After that, final test was conducted of both the groups. And the results were quite surprising. On an average, group who gave practice papers to prepare got B grade and group who were requested to teach the fellow students got A grade. So I would insist, whenever possible, try to study the topic in such a way that you are going to teach the same topic to entire class. This one change will create wonders in your results. Now let's move into tip number 2. The second most important tip is time management. Whatever time has left for your exams from now, you have to prepare for the exams according to that. To help sort out your time management, first thing you have to do is set up a timetable for your study. Then write down how many exams you have and days on which you have to sit on them. Then organize your study accordingly. You may want to give some exams more study time than others. So find a balance that you find comfortable with and manage your time properly as per these suggestions. Let's move into the next tip. Tip number 3. Study techniques. Various students have various techniques to remember things. I will provide you 2 techniques that you can use. If you want a detailed video on this topic, please let me know in the comment section. Number 1 is flashcard. A flashcard is a card having information. One writes a question on one side and an answer on the other side in just simple points. For example, on one side the question is birth date of Gandhiji and on the other side the answer is 2nd October. So you can create flashcards like this and refer them regularly to remember things. Number 2 is mind mapping. A mind map is a diagram used to visually organize information. For example, see the image where the topic is science investigation. Here we started in the center with an image of the topic. We have used images, symbols and dimensions throughout the mind map and also used specific keywords wherever possible. You can pause the video and refer to the mind map example. Creating mind maps for topics like this can make you remember the topic in much easy way and it will last longer in your memory also. When you want to revise, you can do that easily too. So, you can use these 2 techniques for remembering things. Now, let's move into tip number 4. Avoid distraction. Stay away from any distraction that might disturb your studies. Most common distractions these days are gadgets like mobile phone, televisions, PlayStations. Make the use of this device very less. And if you want to get refreshed, play outdoor games instead for a while. Focus on your end goal whenever you feel that you want to use any of these gadgets and avoid such distraction as much as you can. So, these are the 4 important study tips that you will find useful while preparing for exams. Let's quickly revise these 4 tips again. Number 1. The number 1 tip is to understand the difference between giving a practice test for any topic and teach someone the same topic. I would insist, wherever possible, try to study the topic in such a way that you are going to teach the same topic to entire class. Tip number 2. Time management. Whatever time has left for your exams from now, you have to prepare for the exams according to that. You can use below points for your reference. Tip number 3. Study techniques. We have learned 2 study techniques that can be used. Number 1 is flashcard. A flashcard is a card having information. One writes a question on a side and an answer on the other side in just simple points. Number 2 is mind mapping. A mind map is a diagram used to visually organize information. Let's look into the last tip. Avoid distraction. Focus on your end goal whenever you feel that you want to use any of these gadgets and avoid such distraction as much as you can. So that's all in this video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write in the comment section. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn, and do subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon to get regular updates about the course. You guys are best at your studies and all the best for your exams. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.